Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. Hope you guys are excited for these airport updates, and if you are, please leave a like on this video as it only takes 3 seconds and it'll help YouTube push out this video so I can show everybody else how amazing the collecting community is. I also do have a very special feature in this airport update, so keep watching to see it. You won't want to miss it. Starting off with this Frontier Airbus A320 in the Griswold the Bear livery, doing a departure flight out to Phoenix. Second in line, we have a United Boeing 737-800. This in the split scimitar winglets as well as the new livery. Very gorgeous, and we'll be doing a departure flight out to Denver, Colorado. This is about a 30-minute flight. Just a quick reminder, I will be showing off the special thing in this airport update as soon as I finish off this terminal. But right here we have the United Express Embraer E145 operating for commuter air, which we have not seen in over a year. They recently restarted a base in Denver, and this is where this aircraft will be heading to. Next in line, we have a United Express Embraer E175 in the new livery, getting passengers offloaded and getting ready for its next flight out to Chicago O'Hare. Right here we have another United Express Embraer E175 in the new livery, just pulling into the gate from a flight in from Houston Intercontinental. Next up we have a United Airbus A319 in the new livery. We do have a ton of new liveries in this airport update. Anyway, this A319 will be doing a departure flight out to Denver, and it'll be turning around and heading back to Colorado Springs. I'm very happy to hear Southwest Airlines is doing very good at Colorado Springs, which possibly means they will be adding more routes in the future. But right here we have the Southwest Boeing 737-700 loading on passengers and getting catering for a flight out to Las Vegas. Next up we have the Southwest Boeing 737-700. This is in the Colorado 1 livery, which is pretty ironic considering we are in Colorado Springs. This will be doing a departure flight out to Chicago Midway. Then next up we have the Frontier Airbus A320neo. This is in the Champ the Bronco livery and will be doing a departure flight out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. Right here we have the Delta Boeing 737-800. This is getting catering as well as passengers loaded on before it heads out to Atlanta in about 30 minutes. Then in the back we have the American Boeing 737-800 in the AirCal Retro livery, just getting fueled up and passengers loaded on before it heads out to Dallas-Fort Worth. This aircraft actually had a 3-hour delay due to a mechanical problem, but now it is all fixed and will be heading out to Dallas-Fort Worth as I mentioned. Now for the surprise of this airport update, we have a special visitor here at Colorado Springs, which is the Delta Airbus A350-900. As you can see, it is getting heavily serviced, and there is a reason for this aircraft being here. About a week ago, a Delta Airbus A350-900 landed here from Los Angeles, which we later found out was a military charter heading out to Roswell. So this Delta Airbus A350 will be heading out to Roswell in about an hour's time. That does conclude today's airport update of Colorado Springs Airport. I hope you guys did enjoy, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, leaving a like on the video really helps support me a ton. That goes for any other YouTuber. If you really like their content, then leaving a like on their video can help support them a ton and help YouTube push out their videos so more people can see how awesome the aviation community is. With all that aside, I do have a few more trip reports planned for you guys over the summer. Also, I hope you would consider joining my Discord server, which I will have in my description, and also you can just go to the comments and look at the pinned comment. There will be a link to my Discord server, which is a ton of fun. It is all about aviation. We have a few games that we're testing out, all about life of currency. That's what one of them is. Basically you just get a bunch of coins and whoever is at the top might get a prize in the future or something like that. I also do have giveaways planned for there. Also, the major reason most people are joining is because that's the only way you can get subscriber routes from now on. I do have a separate channel inside of the Discord where you can submit subscriber routes, and I will do my best to include them. With all that aside, I hope you guys did enjoy the airport update, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day or night wherever you are from, and goodbye.